Here it is. All right, so just blasted it. Last coat of clear coat over the graphics. It's not perfect, so it's been a long time. You know, different companies changed their tones a little bit, so it's slightly different. But I mean, when you see it on certain areas, that's how candy looks, anyways. See the bottom, kind of does that too. So, all right, got this other little. Spread a little bit of the leftover clear on this. I just I just keep piling it, all leftovers. All right, you guys have a blessed day.